Add a dependency on javafx-web. That's what I did. Okay, so here's, I thought that I would have to mess with this file, moduleinfo.java, and I have to add the line requires javafx .web here. Okay, and once I do that, it should modify my my POM XML file. And this is the file that basically Maven uses to get all the dependencies. You can see dependency, dependency, blah, blah, blah. But I think I'll just need to do this requires line in moduleinfo.java. So I'm going to copy this. Going to look at that moduleinfo.java. That is under the Java folder. Here it is right there, moduleinfo.java. And see, I have requires javafx.controls. So it makes sense that I'm going to require the web library here. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and now I'm going to go back to this. And I'm still having issue. Oh, look at that. It's still in red, but now it gives me a suggestion to import the class. Okay, so I'm going to import this class, and what I'm expecting to happen here, what I'm expecting to happen here is just like it has text field and button, and both of those are imported here. Okay, I'm expecting when I say go ahead import that class, I'm expecting to see it up here. So let's see if that happens. Okay, so import class, and it did exactly that, and now the error has gone away. Fantastic. And this output area is not referenced yet, and the input area is not referenced yet. That'll all be fixed. But actually, before we fix this, let me see if there's any errors in here. It doesn't look like it. So I'm going to go back to the Hello World application, and I'm going to see if those components are in the application now. Ah, look at that. Yes, they are. There's the web view area, and there's my input area, and I can hello there, everyone. And then if I click hello, it just tells me welcome to JavaFX application yet. So I need something that when I click hello, takes this and says, and puts it in here, not in the label. So I don't even want that label. I just want something here in this this HTML area, this web view area. So let's go ahead and tweak that, and I'm going to stop that from running. And I see that, the button has this attribute on action, and it says on action hash on hello button click. So that makes me think that this is a method somewhere. This is a Java method somewhere. So I'm actually going to hold down the command key, hover over this, and look at that. It says it's a method in hello controller. So let's just click on it, and we get right there, okay, to that method on hello button click. I think I'm going to change this to keep in line with the adventure application. I'm going to say on submit input. Okay. So I'm going to double click this, and I hope that most of you understand by now that when I want to change something like this, it's referenced throughout the project. So I can't replace this name with something. I can, but it'll just cause a lot of headaches. What I want to do, if I want to change the name of this, I have to go up to Refactor, Rename. Okay, so I said I wanted this to be on in keeping with, what you do when an action occurs. So I want to say on submit input. Okay, so there I am on submit input, and now because I refactored this and didn't just replace it, I should be able to go down to Hello View and look at that on submit input now. So it changes it everywhere. Fantastic. So the other thing is this input text field, I would like to be able to hit return when I'm done with this input text field. And it turns out that the way you submit input text is by hitting return. Okay, so that's the canonical way. So all I have to do is add on action to this. Actually, I am going to add on action to that, but before I do, where I'm going to go to on submit input and see what that does. It basically says the welcome text, which is that label, becomes welcome to JavaFX application. I don't want that. I want the input text. All right, so I want, it's more complicated than that. I want the web view to display the input text. But now I have to talk about the web view before I can do that.